Hello everybody, Paul Gowder here from PowWows.com. I wanted to give you a quick little behind the scenes. I'm starting to pack now for Gathering of Nations. In just a week, we will be at the powwow. We'll be getting ready to start the second grand entry, so I'm getting equipment ready. And also wanted to make an announcement before I show you a little bit more behind the scenes here. If you go to www.PowWows.com/win, we're giving away a Pendleton blanket and 10 other prizes for Gathering Nations. And if you enter the code, right now, if you enter the ABQ on the page, you'll get a special entry for watching our live videos. So just go over to www.PowWows.com/win. So we've been packing up. I've been getting the equipment ready, running updates, getting everything ready. There's our streaming server. Our cameras are ready. And do a quick unboxing. Just got the last piece of equipment in that I need. Think Tank photo for all you photographers out there. Just got a new bag. Just pulling it out for the first time. Love the Think Tank bag. This will be the camera bag for our trip to Gathering. Let's take a look. Yeah, please make sure you share. www.PowWows.com/win for the contest, and also click on the link above and take you to the page where all of our information about Gathering is posted. So here's our new bag. Check it out. Again, Think Tank photo. Nice. They put a little thing in here showing you what you can put in it. We'll carry our camcorders and Nikon and our lenses, getting you some pictures from next weekend. It'll hold 2 bodies. Anyways, all you camera guys, I hope you like this. Cool. Looking forward to carrying that. It's going to help us get to the airport a little easier. And the other announcement I wanted to make is we are streaming the Powwow Live starting next weekend, Friday and Saturday. And special this year, we will be streaming Stage 49 live too. So you'll be able to watch 2 different streams at on PowWows.com and on Facebook. The powwow will be live Friday and Saturday, late into the night, early morning, and we'll be streaming all the performances at Stage 49. So click on the link above to get all that information and head over to the page www.PowWows.com/win to enter our contest. So for any of you that are wondering, this is our live stream box. It's a live stream HD51. It allows us to put in several cameras in here to stream live. And my cat's now going to help. We'll be streaming live using that and 2 MacBooks. Be shooting with the Nikon D750. Usually I'll have my 7200 on, taking all the pictures for you. And then, of course, all of this down here is just our cables and power network and all of those kind of things. So I hope you'll watch. I hope you'll enjoy the webcast a week from today. Please. No, there's no gun in there. Lots of stuff, but no gun. I'll be flying, so that's not a good idea. But anyways, thanks everybody. Remember www.PowWows.com/win and click on the link above for all the information. Thanks everybody for your support. Keep sharing it and let everybody know we're streaming live next weekend. Want to see if we can get hundreds and hundreds of thousands of people online. Thanks everybody. Appreciate you watching today. And remember, we're gonna have a full live show tonight, and I'll tell you more about what's going on. So look for that later. And we'll be doing lots more behind the scenes and talking to you about our preparations for Gathering in the days to come. And if you're not able to make it to Gathering, I know lots of you can't. Remember, just watch it live on PowWows.com. Thanks, everybody. Have a good day.